Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay later on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and log into your Amazon account. Once you've logged into your Amazon account, so go to your profile here. So go to this U tab here. Go to this U option here. Just click on it, and then when you get to this U tab here, and what you're going to do, you're going to open up your account. So click on your account, open it up, and then when you get to your account, so here scroll down, and under the Amazon Pay option here, you will see this Amazon Pay Later option. So what you're going to do, if you want to pay later on Amazon, you're going to simply enable your Amazon Pay Later option. So simply click on it, and then all you have to do is activate this Amazon Pay Later option. So Amazon will check your eligibility, and if you're eligible, you just have to follow a few prompts and then activate it. Once activated, you can use this option when you check out or when you make the payment. You can use this as your payment option. In that way, you will be able to pay later on Amazon. Please note that this option is only available at certain regions depending on the market where you are in, so keep that in mind. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.